Do you want to know how you can back up your messages in WhatsApp? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can back up your chats or messages in WhatsApp. Go ahead and open WhatsApp, which is on your phone. Now click on the three dots which you can see on the top right hand side and then click on settings. Go to chats, scroll a bit down and you can see chat backup. Click on it and you can select your Google account from here by clicking on it. You can click the frequency and the time you want the backup to happen. So the options are never, only, backup when I tap, daily, weekly and monthly. After choosing your frequency and your Google account, you can see backup option. Go ahead and click backup and in a while you can notice that your chat will be backed up in the Gmail which you have entered over here. So you can see that it is preparing to back up your WhatsApp chat. So this way you can back up your chats. All you need to do is open WhatsApp, click on the three lines, go to settings and click on chats. Scroll a bit down and find chat backup. Click on backup after choosing your Google account and frequency. You can also click include videos and backup using cellular. So you can see the last backup date or the time will be written over here. This was a video on how you can back up your messages on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.